So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a signature on a Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in signature right here, an easy way you guys can do it is just by going ahead and you can change the font. So if you want the font into more of like a signature font like that, you can kind of play around with it. But if you want to actually insert a signature, go to the top left, type in insert. Don't do e-signature right here because you need the premium version. Instead, to go to where it says drawing and then press new. Once you're on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options. I want you guys to go to select line and then press on scribble. Once scribble is created, you can actually go ahead and do your signature. So if you wanted to, let's just say do your signature like that's your wonderful signature. If this looks good, go ahead and press that. And you can go ahead and edit it this way and kind of do what you got to do. And this is the alternative to how to actually add a signature. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a signature on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.